Welcome to Koh Young here at SMTA Guadalajara. I'm delighted to be joined by Heriberto Cueves. Heriberto, I believe you're the Mexico sales manager here.
That's right, Trevor.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm the lead for sales on Mexico and South America for Koh Young.
That's right. And you've got a huge responsibility, of course, because you've got 2,400 machines installed across Mexico.
That's right. This number is intended to be increased in the following months to 2,800 machines.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So that's quite a goal,
It's a goal
to go after. Is it an even split between the SPI and the AOI systems?
Yes, now we have more increasing numbers in the AOI systems, which is getting more applications on the field.
Mm-hmm.
So together, we can say we have 58% of the market share
Right.
between SPI and AOI.
Wow. 58% of the market share.
Yeah,
That's a large number.
yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah. So where do you see the technology side moving? I mean, you're covering AOI and SPI, but is it moving in another direction? Is it going more into final assembly, or is it going more towards semiconductor? Where are you seeing the trends?
That's a very good question because in the last months we have seen some increasing demand for back-end process inspection,
Mm-hmm.
including THT, some specific customized inspection for screws, head sinks, labels.
Okay.
So at this moment we see more market for this kind of inspection rather than semiconductor, at least in Mexico.
Right. Right. So when you get requests for like customization or things like that, do you pass that back up to Atlanta and they deal with it there to prepare a package to send back down for customized customers?
Well, it's a matter that you use the current technology we have with new algorithms.
Yeah.
It's not a big customization. It's more related to the handling maybe sometimes, but using some kind of carriers, it's something we can handle in our systems.
Right. So basically, the hardware is very easy to configure, through your software systems and algorithms and that type of thing.
That's right. Technology is there,
Yeah.
in the inspection wise. So it's so flexible to cover other inspection process like backend.
Right.
And also the hardware is very easy to, not customize, is adapt to this kind of need in the market.
Okay. So what about support of these systems? It's a very big thing down here to make sure that you've got proper support. It's well trained, licensed, insured, etc. How many people have you got on your team for that?
Well, at this moment, the headcount for the Mexico office is 26 people. So we have from applications engineers, TS engineers, we have sales managers,
Yeah.
we have logistic, we have MES engineers. So what we try to cover is all the needs of the customers, having a big group of people with experience and knowledge that will be giving a good support to the customer.
Right. Right. I mean, Koh Young was a big proponent of the IPC CFX system.
That's right.
And how much do you see that a lot of that down here when you're working with your larger customers? They're all asking for CFX compliant systems and working along that way?
Definitely, it's a transition we have seen since maybe 1 year more.
Yeah.
And it's getting more strong position because they know it's more flexible, more features we can use. So it's getting more popular at this moment.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Excellent. Okay. So we've covered the service engineers, and what about training? I know you work through, is it Repstronics as your distributor here?
Oh, it's a very good question because we have a demo room with the classroom here in our office in Guadalajara.
Yep.
But also doing the partnership with Repstronics, we can use their facilities in Monterrey and Ciudad Juarez. So combined, we have 3 different classrooms trying to cover the whole, country.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So you use their facilities, bring your customers in, and they could also train on the machines that are in the demo room as well.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. They put the hands on the machine
Yeah.
just to make sure that they learn in the right way,
Yeah.
So we have one dedicated engineer for these training sessions.
Yeah. Well, it sounds like you're pretty well set up down here, Heriberto. So thank you for talking to us today, and we wish you every success in reaching your 2,800 goal.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My pleasure.